lifeline. Sometimes when we are not confident yet with our knitting, or the pattern is very intricate and we can easily make some small mistakes. Sometimes when we just want to feel secure with our knitting in case something goes wrong, there is a very simple solution for that. And this solution will allow us to relax and enjoy the process of knitting. And in case of some mistakes, give us a quick fix. This is a lifeline. This line you can see here. So lifeline is a single thread that acts as a stopper. With this line, we can safely undo our stitches and correct mistakes. And in today's video, I will present two methods how to use this lifeline. So I will demonstrate the first technique, how to insert the lifeline in your stitches. For this you will need a big needle or tapestry needle, whatever you've got in hand. So you need a needle and you need a thread or a piece of yarn. So you need to insert this yarn into your needle like that, and then you need to insert this needle in every single stitch which you've got on your needle, knitting needle. So I hope it will be clear here on the camera. So I'm inserting the needle in every single stitch which I've got on my knitting needle. So you can pull it a bit, and if you've got any markers, stitch markers on your needle, you need to skip it. You won't thread this needle through the marker. You skip it like that, and then you insert your needle in the next stitch. It's very important not to thread the needle through the marker. And you've got your lifeline in place. So now you can knit your next row according to your pattern. Now you've got the marker, and if you threaded this marker, it will be stuck here, so it won't be it won't be possible to move it to the another row, because it will be on this thread. So this is a very important thing to remember. So you finish your row and you've got the lifeline already in place, and you can enjoy your knitting and feel safe. There's another method which you can use. If you use this kind of knitting needles, the one which you can replace with another ones, in those kind of needles you've got, I'm not sure if it will be very clear to see, you've got a little hole here which you use just to tight the needles, screw them. So you will use this small hole here to insert a thread. For this is best to use flossing thread or fishing line. So you just need to insert your thread through this hole like this, and then you just simply knit your next row. So you've got your lifeline here in this in the right needle, and you just knit a first row, and then you just slide the stitches like this, not too far. You take this thread out of the hole, and you've got your thread. I don't know if it is visible. You've got this thread already in your stitches. In case you make a mistake and you just want to undo a few rows, if you've got the lifeline, it's just you remove your needle, you undo a few rows until you've got a lifeline like this, very carefully. And now, as you can see, you've got the stitches, and there is a, instead of needle, there is a there is not knife, there is a line, and your stitches are secure now. They won't go down. And the next thing you need to just do is just insert your needle exactly when the lifeline is. So you just catch the stitches like this, one by one. And see, even if I pull it, this stitch is still in place. I can always pull this lifeline a bit, and I can easily catch the stitch. And you've got your stitches back on your needle, and everything is in the right place. So I hope it will be useful for you. Don't hesitate to use the lifeline. It's really, really handy technique. Thank you.